Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. You can see behind me we got the 5140 and our really old Newton Crouch lime fertilizer spreader hooked up. You probably saw the clip already of me loading it. I just have it half loaded right now. I've only ever spread compost with this. I've never done lime with it before, so I'm not sure how far it'll go. And I don't want to get too much in there. It's ground driven, so if I get too much in there and don't need it, I can't just sit there with the PTO running or something and empty it back out into the pile. I'm kind of stuck with it in there. So if I have to go back to the pile and get a little more, I will. But we're going to be putting down about 2,500 pounds to the acre of ag lime. It's damp lime. Well, again, you saw that in the previous clip. So hopefully this will work. The compost was pretty light, so this old spreader handled it okay. This lime being so heavy and the spreader being so old, I'm hoping everything works like it's supposed to. So we're gonna get going here and get you some footage, and you'll see if anything breaks. Let's cross our fingers. Okay, so depending on the order of the footage, you may have seen the thing was spreading and then it stopped. We have an issue here. I don't know if you can see up in there. It spread everything that was down and kind of created a hole. I just opened the gate all the way up right now, and the lime is so wet. I mean, you can see it sticking here. It doesn't want to drop down onto the apron chain now, so nothing's even touching the apron chain at this point, so I'm gonna have to get a shovel or something and try and work it down in there. All right, we're gonna go with plan B just to get this done today. My wife is in the tractor and I'm gonna sit back here, and you can see I got a hole open. Oh, maybe you can't see with the sunlight there, sorry. I got a hole opened up. She's gonna drive and I'm just gonna keep shoveling to make sure it comes out. So we'll set the camera up here and you can watch me fall over. All right, we got the lime done. Whew. I'm tired. Sorry if the sun's in your face, but we have an issue with it plugging up on this side here too. You can just see how damp the lime is. It just didn't want to go through good. It flung it fine after, but it just too wet for this style spreader. I think this is just kind of an old style spreader. So at any rate, we got the job done. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, please. I got to disc this again and put some fertilizer on it. I won't show you those videos because you've already seen disking and fertilizer spreading, and maybe I'll film planting some of the corn and the potatoes. All right, so thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.